Hey everyone, welcome to another video. My name is Lori and welcome to my life. Today I have a Bolzano handbag subscription for May for you. Stay tuned. Bolzano is a handbag subscription. With your handbag subscription, you pay $33.95 for the bag and accessories. I think there is one where you can buy just the bag without accessories, but there's a luxe bag, which is $43.95, so it's $10 more expensive, but they give you beauty items also in your bag. So the presentation of the bag, there's always a dust bag with a little tie at the top. So you can store your bag, your handbag in the dust bag. So, okay, so there's that. So let's see what I got today. Oh, pretty. This is pink. Okay, so pink is my favorite color and purple, but pink, I'm just favoring pink a lot more. So this is beautiful. It's a light spring print. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me take off the plastic and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm gonna show you the little card that comes with the bag. So in this card, it comes, I can't read it to you. I have to put it under a machine for me to be able to see. So I will put a picture of this in there so you know. It is vegan leather. I do know that. It is a value of $175 for the bag. It is, color is pink, but it also comes in, it says fog, so I'm thinking that's a gray, and turquoise, and then this pink color. So I'm totally in love. It has a crossbody also to it, a strap. So let me go ahead and get in there. I will tell you, look at the bottom. Every bag of theirs has feet. That is one feature that I really, really like about them, because if I just sit my bag down on the floor, it's at least sitting on the feet and not sitting on the bottom of your bag. So it has a zip in the center. We're gonna get in here and look at it. Okay, here is my accessories. I do the accessories, I do not do the beauty part. Here is the strap that you can put on there to hold it that way, and you can make it longer or shorter. Okay, let me see. So inside the bag, there is a section right here. Then there's a zipper compartment right here, and then another section. So in between, there is a zippered area so you can put your things in that you don't want on the outside. But it does have a zipper inside of that middle pouch. Plenty of room. And then on the outside of that little compartment, and I can tell you, this little compartment, if you can see this, it's right here. So that is the inside of the bag. I really like that. That is adorable. And I love pink. I don't have a bag that's pink at all. So it has the Bolzano little logo on it, which is this right here. It has these satchel handles. Oh, and it's got a little detail right here on both sides. It has the feet on it. And this is how I would wear it, probably like this. Let me turn it back up so you can see. So you can wear it like this as a shoulder bag, or you can put the crossbody on it. So that is the bag. So that is $175 retail value. I bought this for a monthly subscription of $33.95. let's see what my accessories are. So you usually get like 2 or 3 accessories in the bag. A lot of times it's jewelry. Okay, here's my first accessory that's in the bag. So I kind of stopped the video for a second and I took a picture on my iPad. So like looking at this, since I'm blind, I can't see what this is. So I took a picture of it. So now I know what this is. So it's like a clip and pop socket for your phone. I don't have one of these. So I'm going to try that out. That's my first accessory. Okay, here's my second. It looks like it's an earring and maybe a bracelet. Hopefully y'all can see that. Well, that's super pretty. Okay, so it is either a necklace or a bracelet. I'm not going to open this yet. It has some pretty little shiny stud earrings. It looks like everything is silver. That's really pretty. Okay, item number 3. Looks like it says eye clip. So I just showed you this. It's called an eye clip. I had to go out and ask my husband about it because first, you know, I cannot read it. So I took it out of the box and I still did not know what this was. So this is what it looks like out of the box. It's like a leather. I'm gonna turn around so you can see. It is supposed to hold cards, your credit cards or ATM cards and money instead of a regular wallet. So I have no idea. We will have to look at that later and see what to do with it, but that's kind of neat. So I got the bag, but inside the bag, I got the pop socket, which I've never had one of those either. So I'm gonna have to try that. I got the jewelry set, which is super cute. And then I got the eye clip. So you get all kinds. Sometimes you get sunglasses, sometimes you get jewelry, sometimes you get a pair of socks. So it's $33.95 for the bag and the accessories. And then $10 more for $43.95 for the luxe. And once again, I'm going to show you this beautiful bag. I like it because it's got more structure to it. There's some of them that I have gotten from them that just don't have the structure to hold up like this one does. And so I like this one a lot better. That is it for me today. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what I got because I totally love this color. I love this color. I think it's going to be a great size bag for me. It's going to carry everything I need to, and it's going to be so spring and summery, and you know, that's what we're all looking for right now, you know, especially during isolation and not really going anywhere. This makes me happy. This pink makes me smile. So it's awesome. Okay, so I should let you go, but let me just tell you, I don't know if I told you in the beginning, my name is Lorrie, and this is my life. So if you want to be a part of my life and see how I do things, because I am legally blind, I do things a little differently, but I do the same things that you do. But you know, come with me, hang with me, see what I do. So I do weekly vlogs, I do travel videos when we are allowed to travel. I have 2 cruises coming up, so you're definitely going to see travel. I do fashion and beauty reviews of products, and just I hang out. So come join me. If you're not subscribed, subscribe below, hit the bell so you know when I put out new videos, and like the video. So that's all for today. So I will see you in the next video. Have a great day.